11 players in each team, bat and ball, the cricket dream. One bowler, one keeper in place. Game on, let's start the chase. Hit the ball, watch it fly, sixes soaring to the sky. Run between the wickets fast, cricket moments that will last. Swing the bat, bowl it straight, cricket's a game we celebrate. Fielding sharp, the crowd's alive, cricket love will always thrive. Pat it up, the batter's strong, facing bowlers all day long. Spin or pace, it's skill they show, cricket magic, feel the flow. Under lights or in the sun, cricket's joy is endless fun. ODI test or T20 play, cricket shines in every way. Cheer the players, hear the crowd, every ball makes us proud. The stumps may fall, the stakes are high, cricket's thrill will never die. Last over, the pressure's on, who will win before it's gone? Bat or ball, it's anyone's game, cricket's fire burns just the same. Spin it, swing it, hit it far, cricket's the game, our shining star. With every match, our spirits soar, cricket forever will always adore.
Kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.